Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back to do another review on Digital Wealth Pros, okay? You've probably been checking this out, hearing all about it. This is a great opportunity that offers digital products. Okay, they offer digital products, but you're able to make, it's unique in this aspect, you're able to make $200 commissions and $400 commissions. Okay, it's unique because they have a call center that's going to close all your sales. Okay, you will continue to market. Okay, any business opportunity you join, you have to promote it. Okay, but in this instance, you're still going to promote, but you're not going to have to answer the questions. Okay, you're not going to be the contact person. Okay, everybody that looks at this opportunity has to call the call center. Okay, that's the only way you can get signed up, is you have to go through the call center. But that takes away you having to deal with the calls coming to you. Okay, so you're able to make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and soon to be $800 commission. That level is going to be dropping in 3 days. Okay, so you want to get in by Saturday. I'm not sure when you're seeing this video, what time, but by Saturday, okay, to be able to get the free upgrade. Okay, if you come in at the gold level, the $200 level is the bronze, the $400 level is gold. If you pay $497, the company is going to bump you up to that new level that's going to be launching this weekend. Okay, so it's a free bump up. Okay, it's going to save you $500 because that new level is going to be $997. So if you spend $497, you save $500. Okay, so it's $297 for the 200 level and $497 for the $400 level, and that's where we are right now. Okay, soon to have that third level coming, the platinum level. So what I like about it, as I stated, they have the call center, they have the capture pages, they have the autoresponder, everything you need under one roof to promote the opportunity. And when people come to your page like this, they're going to see this video. It's a 6-minute video that you need to watch. Okay, so you understand the program. And if you have questions, that's when you're going to call the call center. Okay, so they can answer all your questions and they can get you set up. All right, so this is the website that you get. And I just stated all these things here. And the other great thing is you get paid any way you want. Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. Someone can mail you your payment if you so choose to have that done. However you want to get paid. Okay, you can do that. All right, and they give you campaigns, advertising campaigns on how you can promote this. And as I stated, they have digital products, eBooks, audios, and videos. This is digital. It's a digital library. Okay, you'll be able to use this to improve in any business opportunity that you're in. Okay, 95% of the business is set up and it's automated. It's automated because when people go to your website or your capture page, you're going to put in a name and email. It takes them through to watch the video, then they're going to get an email, okay, that's going to follow up with them over the next week or two, couple weeks, okay, to remind them to go back to this video and watch it. And then if they have questions, they call the call center. The call center answers all their questions, they close them out, and then you get paid. All automated. Let me tell you, I went through the process. We all have to go through it. Call the 800 number. I left a message, my name. You want to give them the referral ID of the person that referred you and their name and your number. And me personally, I already knew I was going to sign up, so I did leave that on the voicemail that, hey, I'm ready to get started today. Okay, so I received my call back, and they will call you back, guys, because that's how they get paid. So be patient in that. that they will call you back. Okay, so jot down your questions and be ready to ask them the questions when they call you back. Okay, so that is step one, watching this video. Okay, you want to watch this before you even pick up the phone to call them, and jot down your questions. Okay, simple system. I love it. This is a great way to make passive income. You can go about your day, go about your life, do what you do, promote this opportunity, and on the back end, let the closers at the call center take care of closing them out. You get your email from them when someone signs up, and then you get paid from there. Okay, simple process, easy breezy. So let's go take a look at the back office. Okay, this is your dashboard right here. You have 4 capture pages and you have 1 sales page. The sales page is the page that you just saw me on, where it had all the information on it that I was reading to you guys. But to your left here, once you get in your dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is click Get Started. Right here, there's a Get Started button, and follow these little snippet videos, okay, that kind of walks just a tour through everything. All the buttons to the left are right here in the middle, okay, and they give you a little video, like 45 seconds, 50 seconds, very short, to walk you through everything that's here. And then of course the main thing you want to get here is the manage payments. This is where you set up how you want to receive your payments: PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, etc. So make sure you do that. Okay, and then also which is right here in the middle. Everything in the middle is to the left. But on the left hand side here, you have system messages, where they will send you messages from the company. Go read those. I've read them, but they're still showing up. But that's what that is. Your CRM right here is where you can connect an external autoresponder, Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse. Any of those are right there. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, and then right here is your leads. All your leads, if you use their system, is going to be in here. Okay, you'll be able to click there and everybody's email address will be there, and also the members, everybody that actually signs up with you. Click your members and you'll see them in there. Your products, we have digital products. We have 2 levels, as I stated earlier. The bronze level is the $200 level. Here's all your digital products. These are e-learning courses that teach you different things as far as being an entrepreneur, emails that convert, things you need to know, home-based business entrepreneur, etc. Go check it out. Make sure you guys go here. I know when people sign up, they're so quick to just start promoting, but they never even look in their dashboard to see what they really have. So go look at this stuff. It's good content. Okay, so if you come down, then you have your gold level. This is the $400 level products, and then, as I stated, the platinum is going to be coming in the next couple of days for the $800 level. All right, and then if you click member resources, here we go. You'll see they have postcards. They have a company that you can use that does all the mailing for you. If you want them to do the mailing, you can do it yourself, but they have that option where they'll mail, put the stamps and the labels on your postcards. They have an 800 sizzle number that you can put on your postcard. They already have the message created. Then they have an autoresponder, the autoresponder letters for your external autoresponder. There, the letters are in there. All you gotta do is copy them. And then they give you solo ad providers, where you can just give a company your link and they'll run targeted traffic to your capture page. Awesome. And then right here is your member support. Now, member support, guys, is for questions you may have regarding, once you're already a member, as far as the system and different things you may have, those type of questions. You don't want to call the call center for those. The call center is just to close sales. Okay, so use member support for anything else. All right, so let's continue here. I've got some notes of things I want to go over. I'm going to show you, I'm running a campaign right now, so that's what I'm doing as one of my advertising strategies. So let me show you some of the results it's running right now as we speak. So that's very simple and easy, just to pay one of these solo ad providers to run some traffic. So let me show you that. Now I'm testing This other system, MCP, my capture system, I'm using their page, and right now I'm at 31 opt-ins as this is running. Okay, right now that ad just started today, so far I got 31 leads that have come in that's looking at the opportunity. Okay, traffic, simple, guys. Okay, so now let me give you my bonus when you get started with me. Okay, just kick this off. So if you come in at that $200 level, send me your link after you sign up. Well, I'll know when you sign up because I'll mark you paid, but you need to send me your link, and I'm going to send 125 solo ad click, okay, over for you to your capture page. If you come in at the $400 level, I'm going to send 225, okay, a solo ad click to your page. If you come in once this 800 get kicked off, if after the fact, of course, the $800 level folks are going to get a 300 solo ad. All right, guys, so that's my bonus as well as some other marketing resources I'm going to share with you. So go check this out. Go to www.earnwithpandora.com. Okay, watch that 6-minute video right here. You want to watch this. Read over this page. Okay, jot down your questions, and you're going to call the call center. Okay, and if you're ready to get started, go ahead and leave that message for them that, hey, I'm ready to get started. So when you call them, give them my ID, my referral ID, 442-89634. Okay, the 800 number is 800-232-2109. Okay, leave a message. If you don't get them live, give them your name, your phone number, okay, my referral ID, and my name, and they will call you back. And again, if you're ready to get started, just say that on the message, okay? So that way when they call you back, they'll know, hey, you're ready to rock and roll, okay? All right, guys, so if you're ready to start earning $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and soon to be $800 commissions, I highly recommend you check this out. So far, I came in on the 22nd. It's only been 2 full days. I've already made $800 with this thing. Let me show you. Okay, here's one $400 commission that came in, and the person put DWP, so you know it's for DWP. Okay, and that's Cash App. And then I had another one come in the first day I joined within 7 hours. Okay, so the possibility of this is awesome if you do the promoting, get people to your capture page. Let me show you the other one. Okay, and then here's the other one via Zelle. Okay, so 800 within 2 days. So this system absolutely works because, as I stated, when folks want to get started, they have to call the 800 number to get signed up. So that means the call center is calling people back so that they can sign up to pay you. Okay, so it's absolutely working. So once again, you want to get in by Saturday. Before Saturday, Saturday is the last day. Whatever day you're watching this, just know Saturday is the last day to get bumped up to this $800 level. If you come in at that goal right now before Saturday, pay $497, so you spending $500 pretty much to be able to make $800 commissions, to be able to make $400 commissions, and be able to make $200 commissions, not to mention the overrides that we're going to get too. So it's well worth it, let me tell you. Okay, so if you're ready to get started and you're interested in this, go check the link out in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Call the call center, get your questions answered, get signed up, send me your link so that I can send some traffic to your capture page so you can get started, guys. Okay, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.